Hi guys, my name is Dida and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I want to try an easy fall makeup look tutorial. So yes, just do it together. First of all, prime my skin. I will use this one. This is from e.l.f. This is a poreless face primer. I always start with my face with the primer to prime my face, then just to pump. Try to apply it. This is not my first time using this primer and it works really well on me. It's smooth, smells good, and feel the pores. I always do this. I let my prime set it on my face and I jump to my brows. And lately I was really obsessed by the powder. So the one I use is from MAC. I prime my brows. Powder kit from my brows. And just I mix both of color. I jump to my eyes. For the eyes, we will really do something easy. Doesn't take too much time and that everyone can do. I start in the crease. I will use my favorite palette for the moment. I'm sorry. It will be the Dose of Color Design Katie Francation palette. I will just use the basic eyeshadow and just make it in the crease to define the crease. Oh, sorry, this is the ColourPop brush, by the way. And just to define the eye, I try to go a little bit up to lift my eyes. And if you want, you can even use your bronzer for this look in your crease. I mean, it's the same. Then I take another brush. This is from Sephora 205. And I will grab another color, like another color darkest, a little bit darkest. It will be this one. This is the, I think, Necessary. Yes, Necessary. A little bit in the crease once again, slightly like this, just a little bit out. You see, like this, and I stop here. Then I come back with the first brush I used, and I try to blend everything together. So I come back with this brush. This is, by the way, a really good brush from Sephora. It's pointed, you know. It's a really good brush, soft and really affordable. This is from Lancome. This is a pencil eyeshadow, but creamy one. This is the shade is green. It's really a good pencil because eyeshadow pencil, because once you apply it, it dries in a second. So you can't blend it for sure. Not easy to blend if you want to blend it, because it becomes dry in the second. But for me it's okay because that's what I want. I don't want to take time to do this because it sounds to be easy. So let's do it. Easy to apply. and quick. I just curve my lashes really near to the skin. Like this. This is from Essence. This is my best mascara ever. I really like it. I think you know that if you follow me, because Highbrow from Benefit. This is to this is a highlighter pencil for brows, you know, but I really like to use it as an eyeliner to open up my eyes. Let's jump to the face. Lately I really was in love with this foundation. This is Sephora foundation. I really like it. The pump here doesn't work at all, like big mess you see here. A really big mess. Don't have a big choice. I will just do this because it really doesn't work. And yeah, Done Beauty sponge, and I like to apply some primer. This is from NYX on it, even if it's done, and apply the foundation. And I really like to work the foundation in my skin, down in my neck for sure, but I take my time to blend the foundation. For me, this makes a difference to get a good coverage and a flawless skin. For concealer, of course I like full coverage concealer, mainly because I have a lot of discoloration under my eye. Let's go for Huda Beauty one. The shade is Marshmallow. This is a really good one, real coverage, like awesome. And what I like is the applicator, because it's cold one. It's cold, you know, when you apply it, it's cold under your eye, and for me it's a really good one. So you really need to take care. Oh my god, the applicator is bomb. So cold. I really like it. What I like to do with this concealer is to work eye by eye, because it dries so quick. Look the difference, please. Seriously, it's a really full coverage one. So I back just like this. It comes with the brush, this brush from Huda Beauty brush, but I prefer my beauty sponge. For me, I used to, I think. For my under eye, I like two powder, a high-end one and an affordable one. So the e.l.f. one, this is really good for under eye. I have a dry under eye, so this is really good because it doesn't set in my my wrinkles. And this one, the Fit Me from Maybelline, this is really good too. The high-end one that I really love and I like and I use mostly is Huda Beauty one. This one under my eyes is really bomb. I just use a little bit here, but since what I have in the cup, and I don't bake a long time since I have a dry under eye, just a little bit like this. For the rest of my face, I use the Laura Mercier one. with a fluffy brush. This one is from the Real Technique. Just take a little bit like this. I just use the basic color from the palette with the same Sephora brush, trying to connect the under eye area with my upper. I use this guy, and this one from Physicians Formula. This is a mineral, this is a finishing powder, but it's really dark for me. So, not to waste my money, I just decided to make it as a contouring powder because it works as a contouring on me. So, why not? I really like Real Technique brushes. What about you? This is Physicians Formula Better Bronzer, and yeah, just grab a little bit because it's really pigmented. This is from Bobbi Brown, just a little bit. Because it's really warm tone, and I use it when I use this bronzer. I really use it as a bronzer and and blush at the same time. Believe me, don't need to use a blush with this bronzer. Now let's jump to the highlighter, and for highlighter I really like this one. This is from Pixi, and it's really a good one. The only thing is there is no mirror here, and I would love if there was a mirror. But anyway, I really mix both colors. You don't really see it on the camera, but believe me, it's a really good highlighter. I use it under my brows too, like this. You see? Here too. Just here. And side of my nose. So. Like this. In a corner here of your eyes. It helps to open the eye. It helps to open up the eye, and it's the key. I mean, if you are tired. I finished with the face. If I feel there is too much highlighter, I mean, there's too much, just go with my beauty sponge. Try to mix everything together. Because there is again a little bit of foundation on the beauty sponge, and it helps. The last thing is the lips. So for the lips, since my eyes are really soft, I can really go I can go far with my lips. This is from YSL. This is the first liquid matte lip stain by YSL Beauty. So I will show you the color. The color is Bomb. Since the eyes is soft, you can go for this kind. For me, I can go with this kind of colors. This color. So first I will contour my lips. Grab, look at this. This is a really awesome color. Applicator. Just look at the color. What do you think? You let it dry and it stays all the day. So you can take your coffees, you can take your lunches. So guys, this is the final look. Really easy for fall, and you can really put this kind of color on your lips because your eyes are really soft. So it's a kind of a balance. So this is my way to do quick and easy fall look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to the video if you like it, if you enjoy it, and yes, just stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much. Big kiss. Bye.